Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate and use the Debtor Documents feature. Debtor documents refer to essential records stored in a debtor or patient file. These documents, crucial for the practice's records, may include items such as a medical aid card, identification document, signed terms and conditions, and consent forms. Please note that you can customize the required documents for each debtor or patient. To learn more about customizing the debtor document settings, please refer to the document settings user manual linked in this video's description. In this video, we will start on a diary screen. First, click on a desired patient's booking to open the diary sidebar. Click on the Add Documents button. The Upload Document screen will open. We will now take a look at the various sections and buttons located in this screen. The Save Documents section displays documents that have been saved and uploaded to the debtor file, with each document presented alongside its respective information in individual columns. Click on the Document Class drop-down menu and select the class to filter the saved documents list accordingly. All will show all the documents that have been uploaded to the debtor or patient file. The debtor or patient option will display documents linked to the debtor or patient respectively. Printouts include estimates created at the practice and can also be used for re-uploading signed documents printed for the patient. Please note that in order for estimates to be automatically uploaded as printouts, they will first need to be downloaded. For more information regarding this, please refer to the Account Details Navigating an Estimate Invoices tab, user manual, linked in this video's description. Click on the Document Type drop-down menu and select according to which document type the saved documents will filter. Please note that the document types that are displayed are dependent on the setup that was done. Check the Show Deleted Files checkbox to display all documents that were previously deleted. Please note that if any files were previously deleted, their entries will appear under the Save Document section and can be restored if needed. The information regarding each document entry will be divided into columns in the Save Document section. If you want to take a look at one of the uploaded documents, simply click at the View button in the respective document column. The viewing screen will open. Depending on the type of document, you are able to download or print the document. Once done, click on the OK button. In order to upload or download any necessary documents, click on the respective buttons. For more information on how to upload and download documents, please refer to the How to Add Upload Debtor Documents user manual linked in this video's description. If you wish to remove an uploaded document, click on the Delete button. If you wish to bring back a deleted document, click on the Restore button. Documents outstanding refer to the necessary documents that still need to be uploaded to the files of the debtors or patients as required by the practice. From here, click on the Upload button to upload a new document. If you wish to upload additional and new documents to the file, click on the Add New button.